everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Today we will play our game on math. The game is going to be very interesting and entertaining. First, I am going to show you how you can get the game. To download the game, you have to go to Play Store at first. After going to Play Store, you have to search here math game. In the search option, you have to write math game. After that, when you will click the math game, you will get many apps here. After that, you have to go to this one, Toon Math, Endless Run and Math. You can see the logo here. You have to remember the logo and you have to install this app. As I have already installed this, it is already in my mobile, but you have to install it. After installing it, there will be like this, uninstall and open. You have to click on open option. After you will click on the open option, this type of maths game page will open, that is Toon Math. You can see here many things are given, that is the level, diamond, points and all those things, upgrades. There is a cat, it looks very beautiful, and after the cat you can see there is a run option, and also here you can see there are many options like stored, free chat, setting. You can do the settings from here. Like if I will click the setting here, I can choose the math operation here, like which math operation you like, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You can choose any one of the math operation setting, and you can choose the math difficulty level also. Suppose if you want hard level, then it will be hard. If you want normal level, then it will be normal. If you want easy, then it will be easy. If you want normal, very easy, then very easy, normal. Every difficulty level you can choose from here. And before starting the game, I want to say you is about the game is like, if you start run, it will run like in this way. If you have to make it down, it will go down. Then if you want to jump, you have to do the jump. When you will play the game, you can easily understand the process of the game. There will be some menu for you where they will show you how to play the game. When you will just start the game, you have to take this dash 16 divided by dash equals to 4. The answer will be 4, so I have to jump from the 4th side. Like again I am playing in this way. I have to jump, and side by side you have to collect the coins also while you will play. As I have already played it earlier, that's why the level is so fast. Otherwise 24 plus 16, what is the answer? The answer is 40, so I will jump from here. You can see there will be given 3 answers, and you have to see where is the correct answer. If it is in the left side, then you have to jump from the left side. If it is the middle, then you have to jump in the middle. And if it is in the right side, you have to jump from the right side. So you have to see the answer. 31 minus 3. Our answer is 28. So I jumped from there. Oh, I died. So in this way you have to play the game, and you can see your scores here, your coins here, and you can invite your friends also to play the game. You can share with your friends, and by clicking the next option you can go to the next portion also. Okay, see, you can upgrade Peter spells, and all this upgradation will come. So this If you will reach the level, then this will release Lily, Luke. They will release when you will upgrade your level, and when with every upgradation you will get a new character. Since then you can play like this as I am playing here. Again I am showing you how to play. It is very interesting. I think this looks like Subway Surfer. You have played. So yes, only the thing is here you have to do calculation, and also very fast calculation. So how fast you can do the calculation, that is the main thing in this game. 40 divided by 5, our answer will be 8, and 8 is in the left side, so we have to jump from the left. I hope you understand this. And we have to protect ourselves from those other characters. They will kill us. So I have to jump, and I have to collect the coins also. In this way there will be maths questions will come. Yes. 42 minus 8. Our answer was wrong. Actually I jumped from the wrong side. That's why. In this way you have to go by collecting coins. Again one math question will come. 22 minus 17. Oh, before jumping I just died. So in this way you have to do it. See, in this time my coins is very less and score is also less because I died earlier. So in this way you can play the game. If you will see here the operations, only operations are coming. If you want only addition, then only addition will come. If you want easy level, very easy, you can change the level, and very hard level will also come. So I think it's a very interesting game, and you will feel very interesting when you will play this game. Along with your study, I hope you will play this game, which will increase your maths calculation, your level of maths calculation, your technique of math calculation, and along with study, play the game. Okay, stay good, stay safe. Thank you.